Proceed to the highlighted route. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Sure you want to do this?
5.
A lot has changed.
4.
You're right.
3, 2, 1. Go.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
A funny thing I tend to forget about is nose hair. I have done one of those machines that plucked everything out and I felt like a naked gazelle. I felt so sexy. I was like, oh my God, nude nostrils, everything. And then I got horribly sick and I was like, maybe there is something to those protective fibers of nose hairs.
Menthol in here, it like itches and tickles the nose hairs to make you sneeze.
But when the nose hairs do grow long, powder gets caught in them and it's not very attractive. I'm gonna actually go with the word disgusting. What I like to do is take these kinds of scissors. You can buy them on Amazon or anywhere. They're rounded, so you can actually get right in the nostril and start trimming around it. And because they're rounded, they won't cut you. Then also, like a Q-tip, and just go around the inside and make it all nice and pretty. It's those funny little steps that we tend to forget, but when we go out in the world, those little details make a big difference. I know.
So I'm gonna do the sneeze prank on Billy since I have not been able to stop sneezing since I got to Florida.
Oh my God, I'm so ready to get back to the hotel. I'm so proud of them there. It is so bad, I'm telling you. I'm ready to go. You just blowed snot on me, you nasty thing.
It didn't get on you.
Yeah, you're so disgusting. Why do you do that?
I didn't even sneeze on
Didn't
you.
they teach you to do the L in the school? In kindergarten, they teach you to catch it.
I tried, but it's just been running so much.
We're gonna run over here and buy some tampons to stick up in your nose so to catch it. What do you think?
Babe, my nose has been so stopped up. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. It barely got on you.
No, it blowed up on my arm is what it done. You're so disgusting.
It's just a little bit of snot.
No,
You're
I don't want your
overreacting.
snot or nobody's snot on me. That is so disgusting.
Babe, just lick it.
No, you're nasty.
It's not even
Get
that
up
big of
through
a
there.
deal.
You're disgusting.
It's been draining
no.
in my mouth all
Get
day.
out, Mom.
So I already have some dice left over. What the f, man?
Alexa. Oh my goodness. We're here.
Yeah, hold on.
Get ready with me while I'm fucking dying. My fucking allergies are acting up. I wasn't sure if I was gonna go out to the clubs because my allergies are acting up. But my friends want me to go, so. And let's not forget, this is the second time I had to do my makeup because the first time I did it, I started sneezing so much, my fucking foundation started running. But I put on my outfit so then I could have, like, I have to go because the outfit is on. And all I did was my eyebrows and put my contacts in so I look scary. I'm literally like terrified to put my foundation on because I feel like when I sneeze and then I won't be able to rub my nose because it's so itchy. And I took medication, allergy medication. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Somebody's having allergy problems. Cause what the fucking, this is just disrespectful to my face. Have you ever wanted to sneeze like so bad and it just won't come out? If I could just sneeze, oh my God. And then I went outside of my car and all that green shit on it. Pollen stuff. What the f do I do to make this go away? Oh God, this is coming from one of y'all. I can feel it. Take it back. See, right when I think it's coming, it just stops.
Okay, I came back, blew my nose, tied my hair up. I got deodorant on this shirt. Oh my God. I just got to pussy on myself and say I'm not gonna sneeze anymore. I don't even have allergies. Like, what are you talking about? The foundation is on my face. Like, don't worry, I primed. So it's literally too late to go back. Of course, right when I put on my foundation, I sneeze. Okay, this is fine. Everything's fine. When I sneeze, I got foundation on my arm. How did they even get there?
Having pollen allergies be like? Damn, bro!
So, for that.
I keep sneezing and I can't see where I'm going. My hay fever's so bad.
You are now 5 miles from your destination.
There will come a time in your life where you realize that you might need this. It's not a vibrator. It is a nose hair trimmer. How come no one told me? I'm putting on powder, I'm doing my makeup, and then I'm like, dude, why does the powder accentuate my nose hairs? I've checked. There are no bats in the cave. We're good to go, and I'm a little scared because I turned this on and now all my videos, my flared nostrils will be beautiful and not hairy for you. So let's try it, okay? Maybe it's not that bad because I didn't even hear anything. Hold on. You go like this. Oh, I heard something. It's all. You know what? I really only have a couple baby hairs that are like, right there. They're like right on the edge. My nose looks so beautiful. Okay, it didn't hurt. This thing's pretty good.
Yeah, hold on.
I am allergic to the state of New Mexico. Before you ask me, because of my heart condition, I can't take most like allergy medications. I am on one that I am allowed to take, and it doesn't do anything. If I ever sound like I'm sick in my videos, it's not. I'm just having an allergy attack. I'll be fine in like 20 minutes. No kidding, it's like 10 minutes later and I am perfectly fine now. Except maybe a little bit, but like not as bad. Does this happen to anybody else? You'll sneeze like literally 15 to 20 times within 5-minute span. Nose running, eyes pouring, and then it just like clears up. Like, is that normal or should I like do something about it? I'm so sorry.
Wow, it's been so long since I've been on here. It's been crazy long. Ew.
You have reached your destination. Goodbye.
Because woo, coffee.